English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 6. Responses to encouragement. Good luck. How would you reply? What would a native say? Thanks. Thanks. You'll do great. What's the more natural reply? What would people usually say? I hope so. I hope so. I'm rooting for you. What would friends say? What do people actually say? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Don't give up. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? I'll do my best. I'll do my best. You can do it. What would you say here? What's the natural response? I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot. It'll be okay. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Be confident. What's the natural reply? How would a native answer? I'll try. I'll try. See it through. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? I got this. I got this. Don't push yourself too hard. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? I will. I will. I know you can do it. Here's another common reply. What would you say? That means a lot. That means a lot. Just stay calm. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm cheering for you. How would you respond warmly? What do people actually say? I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Wishing you the best. How would you answer encouragement? How would you say it? Thanks, I'll do my best. Thanks, I'll do my best. Don't worry about the pressure. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Go for it. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Thanks. Thanks. I hope so. I hope so. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I'll try. I'll try. I got this. I got this. I will. I will. That means a lot. That means a lot. I'll do it. I'll do it. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thanks, I'll do my best. Thanks, I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.